Greetings from the Whole Elephant Institute and the Sacred Virtual Institute Orlando office here at Palm Orlando Hotel, room 278. We got here yesterday. We settled into this room almost 3 o'clock in the morning. And as soon as we arrived here in Orlando, the car rental place called Easy Rent, basically we already encountered poor business service, and we want to help the Easy Rent to improve. So we started some projects today, which has been published onto our YouTube. Hope everyone can check into it. Already, we want to thank our new team supporters, hope become team members in Florida. Professor Wang Sihan, and Lady Hao Hao, and Miss Susan, and Dr. Zhao. We are heading over to the Turning Point Action 2023 in West Palm Beach tomorrow. Okay, see you there.